How to delete Telegram account permanently. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Telegram app. And then what we're going to do next is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the three horizontal lines. Once you do that, just click the settings icon, which is right here. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see privacy and security. After that, just scroll down once again until you see delete my account, which is right here. So just click if away for, and then in this part, you will have options to self-destruct your account if inactive for, let's say for example, 1 month or up to 24 months. So if you have the option to delete your account right now, you can do that. But as you can see in my case, I don't have that feature yet. So if you don't have that also, what we're going to do is to just choose the 1 month right here. And then all you have to do is to just log out into your account right here and then wait for 1 month. After that, Telegram will now automatically delete your account if you have been away for this amount of time. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to delete Telegram account permanently.